baby clothes have so many stains. Am I right? The shirts, the diapers, if you use cloth diapers, the bibs, just the spit up, the baby food. It's all coming back to me. So Active now has this baby laundry booster. And I did receive this as a gift from the company so that I could try it out and then give you my opinion about it. And I don't have babies anymore, but I did use this as a laundry booster just for our regular clothes because we work outside, we get dirty and spill things on your clothes, spill food. And so I did try this out and it's great. So let me show you what it looks like on the inside. I do plan to give this to someone I love who's having a baby. So we can try that out then too. So it is a powder like this. It comes with this scoop, and so just use one scoop, or if you're doing a load of bibs or onesies or things like that that are exceptionally stained, you can use 2 scoops. Now, there is one thing I don't like about this. It has no scent whatsoever. So there's another laundry detergent, especially for babies, and it smells like baby powder. And I was kind of expecting this to smell like baby powder. It has no scent, nothing. I smell nothing. So that's a good thing or a bad thing, depending on what you're expecting. I was expecting a baby powder scent, and I'm a little disappointed that it doesn't. But, if you don't want any scent for these types of things, especially for your baby, you want something unscented, then this will be perfect for you. So just a couple of things. It is enzyme-based. It's a laundry booster. It is safe for high efficiency. Enzymatic, concentrated, says it right here. Fragrance free. So yeah, this stuff is good. I have got so many products by Active. I love every single one that I have ever used or tried. I love them. So Active does it again. It's got a nice Ziploc here at the top too. Active does it again they've knocked it out of the park with another really great product. The baby laundry booster, love it. I cannot wait to give this to my dear person who's having a baby. Can't wait. I think I'll make a basket. I'll do like a gift basket and put baby things in it, and I'll put this in it, and then I'll just explain why it's opened already. But I can't wait. So there we go. The baby laundry booster by Active. Kind of makes me long for the baby days, but not all that stained laundry. So if you found this video helpful, please head down, hit the like button, and I will link this in the description for you so you can go get it for yourself or a dear loved one who's having a baby. And go ahead and hit the subscribe button while you're at it so that you don't miss any other cool product reviews like this. We don't want you to miss a thing.